this video, I'm going to compare the Affiliate Lab by Matt Diggity with Wealthy Affiliate. Both of these are really popular affiliate marketing training programs, and so I'm going to help you figure out which one might be better for you. First, I'm going to talk about the focus of each course, so what style of marketing they actually teach you. Then I'm going to compare how easy it is to follow along as a complete beginner, so how well it's structured and put together. Then I'm going to compare the size and quality of the community around each course. Then I'm going to compare the quantity and quality of the tools provided. Then I'm going to compare the age of each platform, so how long each course or platform has been around, because usually the longer it's been around, the more authority and reliability it tends to have. And then I'm going to go over the pricing structure of each program. So I'm going to tell you how much each of them costs, whether it's a subscription or a one-time payment. And at the end of all of this, I'm going to give you my final verdict for each course. So let's get started. So let's talk about the focus. Wealthy Affiliate primarily targets blogging and SEO for affiliate marketing, while the Affiliate Lab is also focused on SEO strategies and backlinking, but they differentiate themselves from Wealthy Affiliate in their emphasis on the power of site flipping. So site flipping means that you can create a blog that earns a certain amount of money per month and then sell it for 30 or even 40 times that amount, essentially collecting all that money that you would have made in the future upfront. So for example, if you can get a website that's making $3,000 a month, you can actually sell it for $120,000 a month. Then you can use that money to create more websites and just rinse and repeat. Unlike Wealthy Affiliate, the Affiliate Lab is great not only for complete beginners, but also for people who have more advanced experience with affiliate marketing, because this whole site flipping thing is something that not a lot of affiliate marketers have experience with. So this is something that you can make a lot of money with. Next, let's talk about the ease of the classes or lessons, how easy it is to follow along. So both Wealthy Affiliate and the Affiliate Lab have, good amount of training, it's videos, but Wealthy Affiliate is often seen as more beginner friendly, while the Affiliate Lab is more suitable for people that have at least some experience or knowledge of SEO. And the Affiliate Lab contains more than 24 hours of training, and almost every lesson is in video format, accompanied by a short text summary. Now, this is in addition to the core Affiliate Lab course, where you can actually get access to 12 other courses. With Wealthy Affiliate, I do find that the course, like the way that the videos are structured, it's a little bit cluttered, so it doesn't really look too nice. And so when you sign into the website, this is what it looks like, and it did feel a little bit overwhelming because I didn't know where to start. So the Affiliate Lab is definitely put together much better, and it's much easier to follow along. Now let's talk about the community size and quality of each program. So Wealthy Affiliate actually boasts a very large interactive community. They actually have over 2 million people in their community, which easily makes it one of the largest in the world. The Affiliate Lab also provides community access with a focus on more advanced SEO discussions. And so when you join the Affiliate Lab, you get access to the community, which is an active Facebook group of about 4,000 members. Now, this is a much smaller group compared to the much larger audience and community that you get with Wealthy Affiliate, but it's more tight-knit, and instead of just a bunch of general people being in the community, it's people that already have some experience for the most part. But I still, at the same time, like the Affiliate Lab is still pretty good for complete beginners because it is taught in a really good, in a really strategic step-by-step way, so you can follow along even if you're not a complete beginner. So now let's talk about the tools. Wealthy Affiliate includes many different tools. So they've got website builders, and they've got hosting tools and keyword tools. And now on the other hand, the Affiliate Lab doesn't actually have like tools that they provide, but it's purely an educational course. So they focus on the education that you need to set up and create a profitable online marketing business using advanced SEO techniques. And so all the software recommendations you can actually get from within the course and community. they haven't built their own in-house software, but you don't also need that anyway. Now, once again, Wealthy Affiliate is older. It's been around since 2005, so it's much older platform. So that does give it a sense of authority because it's been around a long time and it's got great reviews on Trustpilot. So it's got a 4.8 out of 588 reviews, whereas I couldn't actually find a Trustpilot review for the Affiliate Lab. But if you look at some really popular blogs that rank courses, you can see that the Affiliate Lab is ranked extremely highly. So, for example, this website called eBizFacts have rated the Affiliate Lab and they've ranked it at number 2 out of all of their courses that they talk about. Let's talk about the pricing structure, like how much it costs as well as the structure. So Wealthy Affiliate, as I've shown before, they offer a free version as well as 2 premium options, and you can choose monthly or yearly billing. The Affiliate Lab is a one-time $997 course. You can also break it up into 2 payments of $597, and it is for lifetime access, and there are no other upsells as far as I know. So once you pay that amount, you get this course for life. All the updates, you always get it. You're always going to get any changes they make to the course completely for free. So it's a really high quality product in that sense. You're not going to have to keep buying different things to stay up to date. In the Affiliate Lab, you're going to learn more advanced strategies to build a real business, whereas on Wealthy Affiliate, I do feel like the education is a little bit more generic and it's more like typical stuff about blogging. Whereas with the Affiliate Lab, you're going to learn how you can outsource all the heavy lifting so you can free up your own time. And they're going to teach you how you can do that with just a small budget of only $200 a month. Now, this is not required and it only makes sense if you have the money to invest or if your website's already making like $200 a month already, so you can reinvest it and grow it faster. But Wealthy Affiliate focuses more on teaching you how to do the work yourself, and it's great for beginners, but it's not really a strategy for someone who wants to create like a business and scale it. So what's my final verdict? I would recommend the Affiliate Lab to most people just because of how valuable the information is in the course for both beginners and advanced marketers, and it's easily one of the best marketing courses on the internet, and I really don't think you can go wrong with the skills that you're going to learn in this course. Not only do you learn how to start an affiliate marketing business, but you're also going to learn more advanced strategies for scaling it to the next level. When he talks about flipping, most people don't actually teach you how to flip websites and how you can actually do this strategically to really grow your income extremely fast. So like you could have a site making 10 grand a month, sell it for 350K, use that 350K as seed money to start another 5 or 6 websites and just rinse and repeat. For a one-time payment, you get access to a ton of educational content and it's a really tight-knit community, which I actually prefer over a monthly subscription that Wealthy Affiliate tries to push you towards. But ultimately, it's your decision which one you prefer to try. I was able to snag you a special discount of $200 for the Affiliate Lab if you use the link in the description. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that opportunity. So check it out and drop your questions and comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.